This is my trip to the northernmost battery factory in Europe, and maybe even the world. I'm Marcel, from the Netherlands. I've worked nearly a decade in green energy, and one thing is clear: renewables are here to stay. But this comes with new challenges.
Because of the enormous growth in green energy production,
Our grid depends more and more on wind and sun energy, which we can't control. But we still need to have enough power all the time.
which meant that we had to store that energy.
Traditionally, energy was stored with dams or fossil fuel silos. But with renewable energy, there's a new kind of technology: batteries.
Technically, batteries are not a new invention. They've been here for a very long time.
It's easy to visualize the problem using a bike wheel, a lamp, and a piece of cake.
Traditionally, we produced energy by spinning something. What we used is coal, gas, nuclear, all spinning enormous metal wheels. The great thing about it, it made it stable. If I take a little bit of energy off it, it still keeps moving. It has momentum. And because of this, there was stability. This is also the problem with renewables. For an example, let's imagine that this piece of paper is a solar panel. Well, you can already see nothing is moving. There is no momentum, like with the spinning wheel. If the sun comes up, it produces. If a cloud passes over the solar panel, it shuts off. On, off, on, off. Nothing moves, nothing keeps momentum in the grid. And this is a problem because the grid is actually becoming unstable. On top of that, we could actually store energy traditionally. So, this is fuel for the energy plant, coal plant. By doing this, it was always a sure thing that you had energy. But with renewables, the sun doesn't simply come out if you want energy. So these are the two problems we have: balance and storage. But there's one solution: batteries. Big ones. And that's the reason that we're here in Helsinki, one plane stop away from the most northern battery factory of Europe. So we're actually practically in the backyard of Santa Claus, near the factory of Cactos. We're getting picked up by Veli-Matti. Some from the people of the factory are even picking us up, so let's go over there and find him.
Airports near the Arctic circles aren't that overcrowded. I found him fast and got my first Finnish lesson right away.
Like, you can say, like, if I say you terve, miten menee, how I do it? You can say, like, minulla menee hyvin.
I also learned they are planning something very Finnish on the factory roof.
There will be a sauna.
Oh.
We don't know the schedule yet.
How Finnish can you be?
Yeah.
Friday drinks, that kind of stuff. Great place to do it.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see the factory because Europe has long struggled to build its own battery tech. We have relied too much on imports from Asia and the US. When I arrived, I was welcomed by a group of happy engineers, and Veli-Matti has promised to show us around the factory.
I'm Veli-Matti and I'm a product manager here at Cactos.
Thank you for picking us up. We're at a factory site. What's being built here?
Here in Kempele we build Cactos battery energy storage systems. We transform components into intelligent energy solutions. Products that are safe to use and they will stand for years.
Why is it important that batteries are being made here in Europe?
Geopolitical reasons nowadays is very important. Our customers, they like that they have European products. When we manufacture these things in Europe, we ensure that our quality is good and we have European laws and authorities behind us. So we ensure that they are safe to use.
Great. Let's take a look.
Yes, of course. So there we can see the warehouse where all the raw components come in.
Yeah.
And this is like the first step of our production, is the module assembly line.
So what are we actually looking at now?
We are looking at battery cells, and these cells are assembled into Cactos battery modules.
Well, a lot of people ask, is this a battery factory?
Yes.
Because these cells, do they come from China?
Yeah, they come from Asia.
Okay.
That's right. But they have none of intelligence
Okay.
inside them, and all the performance, all the safety, all the aspects that we can manage, they are managed by Cactos system, and it's built here.
Okay. Veli-Matti explained, cells are only made in a few places in the world. Just like Tesla, Cactos buys these dumb cells. The real value is created here. The system, the software, the intelligence.
So here we have the Cactos Ferro system cabinet. In one system cabinet we have 10 of Cactos battery modules, and in one module we had 8 of cells, so in total we have 80 cells in one system cabinet. We use general components, but the magic is our software. So our components are very good, but the magic is the integration and software. We ship our products into all around Europe.
Do you really see a trend going up for batteries, or?
Yes, it's going up really high, and here in Kempele, in Cactos, we are ready for that, so we can manufacture a lot more systems for our customers.
You're ready for the demand.
Yes, we are ready.
So this smart battery is ready to get shipped off to a customer in Europe, and it has the equivalent of 3 electric car batteries. But this thing is even bigger. It has the capacity of 6 car batteries and can heat up 100 saunas at the same time. That's a lot of power. Big things are shifting. Renewables are growing fast, but without balance, they don't work. That's where energy storage comes in. At the same time, Europe is waking up. We need local systems, built here and controlled here. Visiting this factory makes me confident. Europe is building its own skills, its own independence. I'm new here, but I share this mission. And I actually like the slogan. Energy, but better.